In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check app permissions on Android step by step so you can see exactly what each app can access on your phone. This is a super useful habit if you want more privacy, better security, and more control over your device. You can quickly review permissions for things like your camera, microphone, location, contacts, storage, and more. Then change anything that doesn't feel right. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Android guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can usually find it by tapping the gear icon on your home screen or by opening the app drawer and looking for Settings there. Once Settings is open, scroll through the menu and tap Apps. On some Android devices, this may appear as Apps and Notifications or Application Manager, depending on your phone brand and Android version. Don't worry if the name looks slightly different, because the goal is the same. You're looking for the section that manages all the apps installed on your device. After that, tap See All Apps. This will display the full list of apps currently installed on your phone, including both downloaded apps and system apps in some cases. If you have a lot of apps installed, this list can be pretty long, so take your time and find the one you want to check. You can scroll through the list or use Search if your device offers it. Next, select the specific app you want to inspect. Tap on its name to open that app's detailed settings page. This is where Android shows you important information like storage usage, notifications, battery settings, and permissions. Now tap Permissions. This section is where you can see exactly what the app is allowed to access on your phone. For example, you might see permissions for camera, microphone, location, phone, files, photos, contacts, or calendar. This is one of the most important places to review if you want to make sure an app isn't asking for more access than it really needs. Once you're inside the permissions list, you can modify the access levels for each permission. Just tap a specific permission and Android will show you the available choices. Depending on the app and your version of Android, you may see options like Allow, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. If an app doesn't need a certain permission to work properly, it's usually a good idea to remove access. For example, a simple calculator app probably doesn't need your location or contacts. On the other hand, apps like Maps, Messaging, or Camera tools may need certain permissions to function correctly. So the key is to be smart about what you allow. If you want to be extra cautious, go through your most important apps one by one and review every permission carefully. You may be surprised by how much access some apps have. Checking app permissions regularly is a simple way to improve your Android privacy and keep your device more secure. And if you ever change your mind, you can always come back and adjust the permissions again later. That's all there is to it. You now know how to check app permissions in Android and how to change them whenever needed. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.